a handful of altcoins are gaining traction across the market, with several assets drawing particular attention. According to data from CoinGecko, 5 names are currently leading the pack, each showing distinct price movements and growing interest from traders and investors. The NEAR protocol, which positions itself as a high-performance platform for AI-native applications and decentralized systems, is among the top performers. Over the past 7 days, NEAR has surged by 45%, signaling renewed interest in its ecosystem and development roadmap. The token's performance reflects broader market confidence in protocols that aim to support next-generation decentralized applications. NEAR's focus on AI-native infrastructure is particularly relevant as the industry moves toward integrating artificial intelligence with blockchain technologies. This could open up new use cases such as intelligent smart contracts and AI-driven analytics, which may attract further adoption and investment. Pudgy Penguins, represented by the PENGU token, has also seen a steady increase, with a 7% rise over the same period. Unlike many short-lived meme tokens, PENGU benefits from a strong brand presence and an established NFT community, which provides a more stable foundation for growth. The Pudgy Penguins project has been a cornerstone of the NFT space for years, and the PENGU token serves as a governance and utility asset within the broader ecosystem. This combination of cultural recognition and functional utility creates a more robust narrative compared to many speculative tokens. Open Gradient, or OPG, has experienced a 17% jump in the. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Last 24 hours, indicating a sharp spike in buying pressure. This kind of rapid movement is often seen in projects that are either gaining traction in a new market segment or reacting to a recent development. OPG's quick rise suggests a possible catalyst, such as a new partnership, product launch, or increased adoption within its platform. The short-term volatility could also reflect speculative activity, as traders look to capitalize on the momentum before any potential corrections. Hyperliquid's Hype token has also caught attention, with a notable weekly surge and a recent all-time high before a pullback. Analysts are watching closely for signs of overheating, particularly after the HIP-4 upgrade introduced new features like prediction markets and derivatives. The upgrade, which went live on May 5, 2026, has been a catalyst for renewed interest in the protocol. By enabling permissionless prediction markets and option-style derivatives, Hyperliquid is positioning itself as a flexible and innovative trading platform. These new features could attract a broader user base, including traders who are looking for more sophisticated tools to manage risk and speculate on market movements. The next key signal to monitor is whether Hype can sustain its momentum or if the recent all-time high attracts profit-taking, which could lead to a short-term correction. Grass, another name on the list, has gained 35% in 7 days, largely due to a recent listing on OKX in late April. This listing has improved access to the token and boosted its liquidity, which in turn supports further price movement. As a DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network token, Grass is part of a growing trend in crypto that aims to decentralize infrastructure services like data storage, computing power, and logistics. The OKX listing has likely brought more visibility to the token, attracting both retail and institutional investors who are looking for exposure to this emerging segment. Beyond the top 5, other names like Genius, Sway, and Zcash are also showing up on trending lists, suggesting broader momentum across different segments of the market. The movement in these assets reflects a mix of technical developments, brand recognition, and market access improvements. For traders, this kind of activity is worth watching, as it can. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Signal where capital is flowing and where new opportunities might emerge. The next key signal to monitor is whether these assets can maintain their momentum or if they face profit-taking or regulatory scrutiny that could impact their trajectories. The broader market environment is also worth noting, as rising altcoin prices often coincide with increased risk appetite and a shift in investor sentiment away from traditional assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If this trend continues, it could indicate a more diversified market with multiple narratives driving growth across different protocols and ecosystems. However, traders should remain cautious, as rapid price movements can be volatile and subject to sudden reversals, especially in a market that is still in the early stages of recovery.